User Manual. How to use Mini Mesh Nebulizer? Firstly, add medication into medication cup and close cover tightly. Mist storage bottle nebulization mode. Connect medication cup with a mist storage bottle. Mask nebulization mode. Make mask connected with medication cup via adapter and control unit. The control unit can supply power to nebulizer and switch to different nebulization mode. Once connecting with USB control unit, press the button for 1 second to open continuous nebulization mode. In shutdown status, please press the button lasting 3 seconds to open intermittent nebulization mode. How to use